Hey guys, I'm back with another edition of your Monday Market Update, bringing you the real estate information in Ross County and what happened this past week in our local market. We currently have 42 homes active on market with an average list price of $265,000. We had 10 new homes hit market this past week, with 98 that are actually pending or under contract, and we had 11 sales this past week with an average list price of $143,000 to an average sales price of $143,000. So again, those numbers are great. The ratios are fantastic for the list to sale price, like I've continued to report to you each week. Those numbers were down a bit based on averages, and that is because we had a $20,000 sale and an $18,000 sale this past week. So they rose over the past couple weeks, but again, still kind of on the low side compared to what we've been seeing trend over the past few months. And then the average days on market was 119 days, which is pretty high. But again, in reporting week to week, that's going to vary quite a bit. So overall, the market is still trending the same that I've reported each week since January. Inventory is down, sales are up, prices are up. It's a fantastic time to be selling your home, especially now that the weather is getting better. Everyone's thinking about this as spring and summer approaches. So if you guys are interested in selling your home, or you're just curious what your home's worth, give us a call at the Tomlinson Group. We'd be happy to come out, take a look, and give you a no obligation market analysis of your home so you can know where you stand and what's going to be the best fit for you. And again, on the buy side, if you guys are looking for something and it's not out there, we think outside the box. We've matched up a lot of buyers over the past few weeks with homes that aren't actively on market, and we always enjoy doing that, and we always actually like a challenge. So we're up for it, guys. If you need anything, reach out to us. We're always happy to help, and I look forward to bringing you more information next week.